Betty, why are you frowning your face?
I want to go to the Africa for the Christmas.
Oh, we discussed this before. I told you I will buy you presents.
I do not want the present. It's today.
Take you shopping.
I don't want them. But I love the advert.
But it doesn't matter. Anyway, Uncle, I have to go. I have to work.
But the African Father Christmas is today.
But I'm working. My shift. Who is going to take over?
Tia.
Yes, Uncle.
Are you telling me you want to leave this girl and go to work?
Yes, Uncle. I have bills to pay.
So is that money more important than your daughter's happiness?
Uncle,
I can't believe this. Tia, listen, money is not everything. If you make all this money and your daughter is not happy, who are you making the money for? When are you going to have time for her? You're just thinking about the double pay. If we make all this money, we're talking about her happiness. It's not just about you.
But I told her I would take her shopping.
She said she doesn't want shopping.
Oh. Uncle, look, I'm late. I'm late.
You mean you cannot call them and tell them you're not working today for the sake of your daughter? Come on.
This Betty.
How long do you want her to beg for this?
My double pay at work.
There are things money cannot buy.
Christmas bonus.
This is happiness that we are talking
As
about.
soon as I saw Uncle, I knew he was going to send me back. I should have gone out through the back.
Who are you making all this money for? If not for you.
Betty. And I promised taking you out shopping.
Listen to her.
Don't want to miss all those
Take her to where she wants.
goodies, Christmas bonus. And
Please.
All right. I'll see if I get someone to cover my shift.
You must get somebody. Assuming you're sick now, won't they get somebody to cover your shift?
Oh, you have this. Wow. And you have to be this one. No, you don't. Let's see. No, definitely not 10 to 11. No, they don't have 11 so it wants to be this color. It has to be that color? Okay, there are more there. Let's see. I can see an 11 to 12. Okay. So you want that one instead? Alright. Why black? You don't like blue? Yeah? seem to have nearly everything. Huh? Come on. Okay. Huh? You don't look happy. What's the matter?
I want to go to Santa.
Why are you so sulking? I took you in there. You didn't want anything. Why?
Because I want to go to the African Santa.
But I did promise you that you would go to African Santa. This is just to do shopping for Christmas.
When am I going to go?
But it's tomorrow, isn't it?
I know.
You definitely will go. You know, when I promise something, I will do it. Right, smile for mommy now. Good boy. Come on, let's go.
Ho, ho, ho.
Africa for the Christmas. Africa for the Christmas. Africa for the Christmas. Take sweet. Thank you. Take sweet. Africa for the Christmas. Africa for the Christmas. Africa for the Christmas. Take sweet. Take sweet. Africa for the Christmas.
Thank you.
Oh, that's all right. I told you. Always listen to mommy.
Christmas. You're welcome. You're welcome. Christmas. Africa for the Christmas. Africa for the Christmas. Africa for the Christmas. You're welcome. Africa for take sweet. Africa for the Christmas. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Africa for the Christmas. Africa for the Christmas. Africa for the Christmas.
Okay. Yeah? All right.
Thank you for coming. Thank you. Take sweet. Take sweet.
Two sweet. One for me, one for you.
Take another one.
Take another one.
Thank you.
This is for me and you, darling. Yeah,
Going
thank
to
you.
there. Africa for the Christmas.
Thank you. Thank you.
Africa for the Christmas. Africa for the Christmas.
Mommy, what is this?
What do you mean, what is this? When I was telling you. Hold on. Hello. Yeah, please, it's on the place. Right, I need to report a scam. Yeah, we've been scammed. I mean, apparently we're somewhere, forest field. And we've been told to come first. I'm on the phone with the police. And then they said to us to come for surgery, charged us £60, and all we got was some flimsy things. Yeah, it's SE4 2QE. Yes. Yeah, we're here. Yeah, thank you.
Did you pay £50?
I paid £60 for this.
£60 for this bread.
Don't even go there, because I told you not for us not to come. You chose to
Bread and
come.
plantain.
Oh,
Plantain.
oh, here they come. I mean, this is taking the piss. How can I pay?
This is just bread.
Oh, here they come. Oh, hello, sir. Yeah, I was the one that made the phone call. Right. So, what happened was that he said his Africa
For the Christmas.
his postal for the Christmas or whatever that was. And let me explain. Hold on. He charged £60 and said, you know, that the children is a special kind of elaborate. There are posters everywhere, you know. And all we got was this. I mean, what is this? Look at what my child got.
And this.
And this has to stop because there are a lot of people still there. I don't want them falling victim like us. What is
Do you
this?
still have more people over there?
Yeah, there are a lot of people there.
there.
All right, let's go there together.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
This is ridiculous. Thank you. This is really taking the piss.
Honestly. Africa Father
Great.
Ho, ho, ho!
Wow.
This is good money. Aha!
You know, I told you.
Yes,
60-50 would be good. And look at it.
it is. It is. Oh, I wish another Christmas come
Oh, no,
tomorrow.
we have to do
So
it.
soon.
The mumus.
We got money. This is big cool money.
No, with that money. Because he is the man. This is the man, policeman. This is the man. What did you pause? What you didn't have for?
What is it?
What? Question.
Ready.
Look at this. This is 50 pounds. 60 pounds. Bread. You give us bread and plantain. You're a con man. You're a con man. We fraud. 50 pounds.
All right, that's all right.
Why do
Gentlemen,
you bring officer?
What do you mean? Why did you bring officer?
Because we needed
we received
better stuff.
an urgent
Not
call
Yes.
from this beautiful woman here
Yeah, I called.
Why?
that somebody has just scammed them. You call yourself Santa
Yeah.
and you're charging them 60 pounds each. And at the end of the day, this is what you present to them.
Is this not a gift?
This one for 50 pounds.
This is not
This is an African bread of
So this is
£1.50.
Santa for you. This is the gift from Santa.
This is plantain, 3 for £1.
Wait, I like the officer.
See,
And this is
Beans cake.
beans cake.
Akara.
Mr. Man, all this shouldn't cost more than £2. You're charging the £60.
but officer, you see, it's written outside there. It's written outside
That
that this is Africa Santa.
So why did you charge pounds?
And I give you
We should give
African
you
food.
50 naira then.
Will you
at the end of
keep
the day, what I'm
quiet?
trying to say is that this is pure business,
It's Africa Santa. See,
isn't it?
what I give to
Mr.
them.
Man, do you have a certificate to do what you're doing right now?
Exactly.
Officer, waiting be certificate. What is certificate?
You get certificate before you do such thing, mister.
Yes.
This is a Christmas. All of us we are enjoying it together.
You don't try.
We want
Nice
our
try.
money back.
We're not
All right.
enjoying it.
Do you even have a work permit to work in this country, sir?
Officer, you are taking this thing too far. This is Christmas. Everybody is enjoying it. We're enjoying Christmas.
It is illegal to work in this country without a working permit.
Exactly.
For celebrating Christmas.
Yes.
Mr. Man, you are under arrest. Can you put the handcuff on him, please?
Good.
Yes.
Put my hand, put handcuff on my hand
Respect
because
yourself.
of
sir.
Christmas.
Respect yourself.
Good.
Officer,
Handcuff on him.
we all enjoying the Christmas together. I wrote it outside there. On the internet, I wrote it, people see what they call Africa Santa.
Tax
Officer,
Tax free.
Tax free.
please,
tax
please,
We don't
please.
want this.
Do you know it's from the tax of people who are working that the government is able to do to create things, jobs for people, and also
Yes.
use it for social amenities for the people.
Okay, I'm
You are
sorry.
invading the
Sorry.
tax.
I'm
You're
sorry.
cheating Her Royal Majesty the Queen.
I'm sorry.
This is what you're doing.
I'm sorry.
We want refund, not sorry.
We want our money back.
Yes.
And we pay you
Pay you
50 naira.
But you pay on internet.
We will
Yeah,
give
we want
you
the money
50
back.
naira. We want the money
But
back.
have you
You pay
haven't
online.
you received the money?
They pay online, not cash.
We don't know yet, sir. Officer.
What?
Okay.
No, don't lie. Don't lie.
For the
You-
sake of this
You have the
season,
money.
for the sake of this celebration, we will not arrest you.
Oh, thank
Thank
you.
you.
You leave it
But-
off the hook.
Thank you.
But
Thank you.
you will refund all their money back to them.
Yes.
Yes.
We will
Want our
check,
money
officer.
back.
You must do it.
But
Right now.
we are all enjoying it.
Mr.
Enjoy
Man,
what?
you return their money back. Ladies,
We are celebrating Christmas.
go home. This man will surely return your money back.
We need our money back.
For the sake of this festive period, I wish all of you Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Ladies and gentlemen, and once again, we just want to say thank you for tuning in to Buckingham Daddy. But we do like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that is CINECROMA Entertainment TV. CINECROMA Entertainment TV. Please watch, like, and subscribe to the channel, because without you, we cannot do anything. Remember, our stories are supposed to be inspirational and motivational, and we want to continue to please you as much as we can. So subscribe to CINECROMA Entertainment TV, and on behalf of the cast and the crew of Buckingham Daddy, we love you.
Hey! CINECROMA Entertainment Television, Buckingham Daddy. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo, yo, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo.